Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot for lead generation. HubSpot is a powerful platform designed to streamline your marketing, sales, and customer service efforts. It helps businesses attract potential customers, engage them with valuable content, and convert them into loyal clients. By centralizing your activities, HubSpot provides a comprehensive view of your customer journey, enabling more effective lead management and improved conversion rates. We'll explore its key features for generating and nurturing leads. Attracting leads begins with creating compelling content that resonates with your target audience. HubSpot's content tools allow you to easily publish blog posts, videos, and downloadable guides. By optimizing this content with strategic keywords, you can significantly improve your search engine rankings and organic traffic. Distribute your valuable content across various social media channels and through targeted email campaigns to maximize its reach and bring in new potential customers. Once you've attracted visitors, the next step is to engage them and capture their information. HubSpot enables you to design high-converting landing pages with clear value propositions, encouraging visitors to take action. Utilize smart forms to collect essential prospect details, ensuring you gather the right information without overwhelming them. Strategically placed calls to action, or CTA, guide visitors toward these conversion points, effectively turning anonymous visitors into identifiable leads for your business. After capturing leads, nurturing them is crucial for moving them through the sales funnel. HubSpot allows you to automate personalized email sequences, delivering relevant content at the right time. Implement lead scoring to identify the most engaged and sales-ready prospects based on their interactions and demographic data. Leverage the CRM's insights to tailor your communication and offers, ensuring a highly personalized experience. Finally, seamlessly hand off these qualified leads to your sales team for efficient follow-up and conversion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.